Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a circle whose radius is 10 unit and there is a triangle inside it. The side length of this triangle are equal. We have to find this area of this green region. Consider this is the center of the circle. Now, if we join this corner and this center of this circle, we get this line. Again, joining this corner and this center, we get this line. As the side length of this triangle is same, so all of this angle will be equal, which is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree and this is the inscribed angle of this circle and this is the central angle. So this angle is twice of this angle. So as this angle is 60 degree, this angle will be 120 degree. And the radius of this circle is 10 unit. So this line indicates the radius of this circle. So this is R and this will also be R. Suppose the side length of this triangle is A. So this length consider as A. Now focus on this triangle. One angle is 120 degree and two side is R, which is known, and this A, which is unknown. Now applying cosine formula here, we get this A square is equal to this R square plus R square. So R square plus R square minus 2 times this R times this R. So R times R of cos this angle. So cos of 120 degree. Cos of 120 degree. Now substituting the value of right side, we will get the value of A. So A square is equal to this R, this is 10. So 10 square plus this R is 10. So 10 square minus this 2 times the value of this R is 10 times this is 10. And the value of cos 120 degree is negative half. So substituting it and write negative half. Or this left side A square is equal to 10 square is 100 plus this 10 square is 100 and this 2 and this 2 will cancel and this negative and this negative 1, it will be positive of 100. So 100. Or this A square is equal to this 100 3 times, so 300. Now the green area is the area of total circle minus the area of this triangle. So green area, this is equal the area of this circle, which is pi r square. This is the area of total circle, and the area of this triangle, this will be minus of square root of 3 over 4 of side length. So side length is a, so a square. So this is the area of green region. Now substitute this r and a. This pi times r, the radius, this is 10 square, minus this square root of 3 over 4 times, we found a square is 300. So 300 is equal to 10 square is 100 times pi is 100 pi minus 300 divided by 4, this is 75, and this square root of 3, so it will be 75 times square root of 3 is equal to, taking common 25, we get 25 times 100 divided by 25, this is 4 times this pi, minus 75 divided by 25, this is 3 times this square root of 3, and the approximate value of this term is 184.26, and this is the area of this green region. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.